In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure tasks in Cursor AI step by step so you can run helpful commands right from your editor without repeating the same setup over and over again. This is a super useful feature if you want to automate common actions, speed up your workflow, or create a simple task you can run anytime with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Cursor AI guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor and go to the terminal, then look for the option to configure tasks. When you do that, Cursor will automatically create a tasks.json file for you. This file is where your task configuration lives, and it tells Cursor what command to run when you launch a task. You do not need to create everything from scratch, which makes this process much easier, especially if you are new to Cursor AI. Once that file has been created, the next step is to open the command palette again. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus P. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. This brings up the quick command menu inside Cursor, which is where you can access a lot of powerful built-in features. After the command palette opens, type tasks, run task, then press Enter. Cursor will now show you a list of available tasks that you can run. If you see an option like Say Hello, select it from the list. This is a simple example task, but it confirms that your task setup is working correctly. As soon as you run it, Cursor will open a new terminal window at the bottom of your editor and execute the task for you. You should see output appear in the terminal, such as Cursor tasks are working, which tells you everything is connected properly and your task configuration is active. If you want to build on this later, you can customize the tasks.json file to run your own scripts, automate development commands, or make repeatable workflows for your projects. That is the real power of Cursor tasks. Once they are configured, you can launch them quickly whenever you need them without manually typing the same commands every time. So to recap, you open the terminal task configuration, let Cursor generate the tasks.json file, open the command palette, ran tasks, run task, and selected a task to verify it worked. That is all it takes to configure tasks in Cursor AI. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Cursor AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.